slumber. Polar bear. More are
Den är jätterolig så den smällde igen.
barking of
Den är jätterolig.
dogs. He smiled brightly as a king and quickly rubbed nose which a special kiss. The Eskimo way is to break the spell today. Brown must have been very cold, for the princess' nose twitched and sneezed. Achoo! But